Hello everyone, I am Scott Aubrey. I'm the owner of Aubrey Law. We are an estate planning law firm. We do estate planning and we do that very well. And I'm very happy to be here with you today. And today I'm going to talk about 5 non-legal things you can do to help protect your family regarding estate planning. But before we get started, if you have any questions about what I talk about today or any questions about estate planning in general, you can go to estateplanmeeting.com and schedule a time to talk with me for free, either in person or on the phone. Again, you can go to estateplanmeeting.com. You'll see my schedule. Pick a time that works great for you. And on that day, I'll be more than happy to answer any questions you have regarding estate planning, and that's all for free. So today's topic is 5 things you can do to help protect your family. And these are estate planning things you can do that don't require any sort of attorney to do. They're very easy for you to do. You have access to do these. You can do these things today if you wanted to. So the first thing you should do is update beneficiary designations. And I've talked about this in my past videos, but your beneficiary designations would be any sort of account that you have that would be transferred to someone else upon your death. These would be life insurance, retirement accounts, transfer and death accounts, things like that. So in those types of accounts, what you do is you name a person or persons that will receive that account upon your death. You'd be your beneficiaries. And usually you can name an initial beneficiary, primary beneficiary. You have a secondary beneficiary, and in some cases even a third beneficiary. So what you want to do today is look all your accounts that have beneficiary designations on them and make sure those designations are up to date, because you want to make sure that the people that you want to receive those accounts will be the ones actually receiving them. A lot of times what happens is people name an initial beneficiary, things change. They may have done that when they weren't married, or before they had kids, or before they had a second child. So you want to make sure that those things are up to date so that the people that you want to receive those accounts will actually receive those accounts upon your death. The second thing you can do is you can go to your bank and you can change the type of bank account you have from a regular deposit account to a transfer on death account. And basically what that would do is that account now gives rights of survivorship to a certain named person. So you can name the person you want to receive that bank account when you die. Something very easy to do. You can do that at your bank. The third thing you could do, if you're married, you can hold your property jointly with your spouse. And then what that will do is allows that if you or your spouse were to pass away, that property transfers automatically to the surviving spouse. There's nothing that needs to be done. There's no sort of probate or anything like that. Basically, that will go straight through to the person who is named as the joint property owner. The fourth thing you can do, and this is something that people should always do, is make a list of all the accounts that you have, all your bank accounts, retirement accounts, investment accounts, life insurance policy, annuities, everything, and make sure they're in one place. So if something were to happen to you, all those accounts would be able to be easily accessed. They know where all the accounts are, know what you have, so that when you're trying to settle an estate, everything would be orderly and it would be happening a lot quicker than going around and trying to find out whether you had an account here or there or whatever the case may be. And also along those lines too is you want to make sure that you have all your past usernames and passwords to access all these accounts in a safe and easily accessible place. So that way, if need be, if you're not available, that someone else could access your account to make sure that whatever they need to, if they needed to do something. So you can use a password manager or some other way that makes sure that they're in a safe and secure place. And then the fifth thing you can do is you can provide some written instructions to your family about what you want to happen after you die. This would be, do you want to be buried or cremated? Do you want to have a party? If there's certain things you want to happen, then you can write all these things down so that when you die, that your wishes will be carried forward. So these are just like 5 things that you can do very easily. They don't take any time. Take time, but not any money. You don't need an attorney to do these things. So you can so if you want to get some estate planning done without going to see a lawyer, these are some things that you can do to get started. Again, I am Scott Aubrey. I'm the owner of Aubrey Law. If you like these videos, please hit the like button. If you want to hear more from me, you can subscribe to my channel, and I try to produce these videos on a regular basis. If you know someone that can benefit from seeing my video, please share this with them. If you have a question or comment, please leave a comment. and I'll be more than happy to answer for you. If there's a certain topic you'd like me to cover, you can put that in the comment section. And as always, if you have any questions about estate planning, you can go to estateplanmeeting.com and schedule a time to talk with me for free, either in person or on the phone. Again, it's estateplanmeeting.com. I am Scott Aubrey. I'm the owner of Aubrey Law, and I will talk to you soon.